In the center of a small snowy village stood a craft shop named the Little Star House. It once sparkled with homemade red jute, angels, pine cone street, glowing jar, lantern, and crochet homemade crafting. But ever since its owner, Nura, a kind craft artist, passed away, the shop stayed closed. Her granddaughter Lena walked past it every morning. She loved crafting too, but grief had dimmed her creativity. One day Lena whispered, "Without Nana, Christmas feels empty." One snowy afternoon, Lena found an old key inside her grandmother's sewing basket. Attached was a small note: "For the day you need Christmas the most." The key opened the locked back room of the craft shop. Inside dust sparkled in the soft sunlight, and rows of unfinished Christmas craft waited silently. Half-made wreaths, crochet wrapped cones, string stars, and jar filled with pine needles. A wooden box set in the center, labeled "Lena's Christmas Miracle." Inside the box were simple items: a bundle of jute, cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, pine cones, and crochet. Lena took a deep breath and began crafting again. She wrapped the jute around a wreath ring, added pine cones, stuck a cinnamon stick in the corner, and tied burgundy ribbons of crochet. As she placed the dried oranges, something unbelievable happened. The whole wreath glowed with a warm golden shimmer. Lena touched it gently. "Nana, is this your magic?" The light faded slowly, but the glow it left in her heart stayed. She hung the glowing wreath outside the shop. Within a minute, villagers gathered. "Who made this? It feels like Nura touch. It's a beautiful. Christmas is back." For the first time in months, the snowy street felt alive. A child tugged Lena's sleeves. "Can you teach me how to make one?" Lena smiled softly. "Yes, let's make Christmas together." Over the next few days, the shop filled with families making crochet wreath, children painting pine cones, adults crafting big stars, teen decorating charred lantern, friends weaving burlap ribbons. Lena guided everyone with gentle hand and warm heart, just like her grandmother once did. Every craft they made brought another spark of life into the village, and every night Lena found a new item in the wooden box, almost as if someone unseen was helping her continue the magic. On Christmas, Lena prepared a centerpiece using twigs, berries, pines, needles, and single candle. The moment she lit it, the entire craft shop filled with golden glow. soft, warm, and almost alive. In the shimmer, Lina saw the faint outline of her grandmother smiling. Grandmother voice, Christmas live wherever love is crafting. It's a true line actually. Christmas lives wherever love is crafted. Tear filled in eyes, but for the first time they were tears of joy. And so the little star house shined again, not because of lights of glitter, but because of hand that created hearts that healed and a love that never truly left. The Christmas picked up something simple, a pine cones, a piece of jute, a broken ornaments, crochet, texture, and create with love. Because something and sometimes the crafts you make becomes the miracle something need. If you want, I can also create lovely and amazing crafting for you. Thanks for watching. God bless.